new technology to students to study.
You're very true. I agree. It's very true. But right now, it's very sad to say that people are not using the mobile the way it is meant to be, but it's going on the wrong hand. They are misusing the mobile benefit. Today, the children below 18, they are also using the mobile, and it's not the right way. The facilities the mobile gives, it's very,
we can see that
they made a minute. That's right. It's simple.
that children under 18 they are using mobile.
Yeah, they are using mobile.
Companies are having for getting a SIM card. We need to give our identity proof. And
That can be is the name of their mother or father.
It is a fault of the parents. It is a fault of parents. It is a fault of the parents.
You can buy the own thing. You can
Impact on the society.
Society must also consider the responsibility before giving mobile phones to their children.
You know the SIM card are available at 30 rupees. Anyone can buy it. That's the problem.
Yeah, very true. It diverts the mind of the children. And children are more interested in playing games in the mobile. It diverts the mind of the children from the education. Let me come. And it ultimately affects the future of the nation. What is the worst thing than this thing? Ultimately affects the future of the nation. The current youth is the future of a nation.
Advantage is more than the disadvantage. Because the use of mobile to the people has become live.
I would like to tell you one thing. This is going to be so hot. Just like Mr. Himanshu has a really valid point that it's a very in this era it's time to run the fast. So in that case,
because of updated technology, one can use internet on the phone. One can use
Windows if it is there.
Yeah, one can use, but people are not. It's very sad to say people are not using
Mr. Ritesh has a very valid point, but Ms. Janki would like to tell something.
See, at the age of 18, mobile, but what the youth are using it, they are using just for messages. That is not for the use of study. It is they are in fact they are not getting about a career and they are just passing their time. So it's a
I would
very
like to add one more point. That people are getting addicted to mobile. The message are just forwarded. So the importance of the message, we don't know where the message has been originated or where it came from. So the message which you want to convey, it may be from the bottom of your heart, but that is of no importance to the person receiving it, because the SMS are too cheap, as you say, it is becoming cheap. That is the advantage, but that can be a disadvantage.
Mr. Rashid. Okay, now Mr. And you don't know the exact originator of that SMS. But do not go forward for that point. So who is the originator? The message is conveyed by the people of the country. And it is very fast and fast. The message is already gone to each and every person to whom it should help.
Do you think it may be possible that company themselves are generating that message, just forwarding the one message to 10 of the people? They want the business. They just want the business. If that are the good, they are intelligent persons there. They may be there. They may send in just 10 good messages to 10 people. They know these 10 people will forward it to millions.
They are sending the message to all over India.
Your mind has come on you.
What about the impact of the culture? See, the Valentine's Day and all has spoiled our culture very bad. And this message is also, they are encouraging the people.
So that means Mr. Janki is trying to tell this message. I would like to go to Mr. Ritesh.
મોબાઈલ આપણે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ તો મોબાઈલ માટે ટાવર જરૂરી છે. તમે અમદાવાદમાં એક વસ્તુ માર્ક કરી છે કે તમને ચકલી જોવા મળે છે હવે, જે પહેલા જેટલી બધી ચકલી પક્ષીઓ હતા એ અત્યારે લગભગ આપણને જોવા મળતા નથી. એનું એક મેઇન રીઝન છે કે જે ટાવર હોય છે, ટાવરમાંથી જે પણ તરંગો બહાર નીકળે છે એ તરંગો આ પક્ષીઓ, ચકલી વગેરે સહન નથી કરી શકતા. અને એના કારણે મુખ્ય અસર એક તો કે આપણે મીન્સ પક્ષીઓ આ રીતે ગુમાવી રહ્યા છીએ. બીજી એક વાત કે બીજી વાત એ કે મોબાઈલ આપણે વાઇબ્રેશન ઉપર રાખીએ, વાઇબ્રેટ ઉપર, તો વાઇબ્રેટ જ્યારે થાય છે ત્યારે મીન્સ આપણા શરીર જોડે હોય છે ત્યારે એની અસર આપણા હેલ્થ ઉપર પણ વધારે થાય છે. તો એક
as per the World Health Organization report 2005, it has been clearly stated that it directly affects the heart of the person, and moreover, when people are traveling on the road, it directly affects the ears as well as mind. It reduces the capacity. Mr. Nishit has a valid point, but it also directly affects the traffic rules, you know that. Yes, basically we haven't heard any kind of incident. Actually it happened now. Mr. Dimple.
You just said that birds are being killed, but like just for suppose you are going on the highway and you meet with an accident. If you are having a mobile, people around you are having a mobile, you can contact the emergency immediately. So there are benefits of mobile, right?
Birds are also died because of the electric wires also.
હું તો એની અસરો બતાવું છું
See
કે
the
આવી
same
અસર
case, the mobile is a tower.
What about the harmful effects of mobile at this stage?
So that is the
People is talking about the frequency now. Who would like to share?
Mobile has a needs towers for the user. Whenever there is a tower, the tower is placed on some place, the whole place of people has a security.
any new technology has some effects, right?
But it directly affects our health. It directly affects our health, and without Mr. Rashid has a valid point. It does affect now. Who would like to oppose his point? Yes, it is, but it does not only affect the hazardous problem, you know that? Hazardous problem. As per the traffic rules, we should not use mobile while driving. And if we are using, then let it come a problem. When mobiles are there, people are going to use it. You know that? But you
According to the research of the Times of India, 49% of the accident in Gujarat specifically I'm saying, it's occurring due to only because of the mobile. You know that?
it is not only photo, it is the photo of the person who has using the mobile.
And if mobile is not there over there, obviously the problem will not create, right?
But you can make
the mobile, right?
it is not only pollution, the accidents are happening only due to the mobile.
If the mobile won't be there, then won't be any accidents, right? 49%.
One of my friends was sitting over there pointing something.
यार लोगों મને ક્યાં કચરો બનાવે
Coming one by one to all of you. As he said, it's an advantage. As you guys said, it's an advantage.
Actually, it's diverting my mind. I was not speaking to you, and it's actually diverting my mind.